All right, guys, welcome back to another video with Shman J. So yes, I have found here a really nice OtterBox style case for my iPhone 11 Pro. Now, lately I've been on the hunt for finding alternative methods to getting an OtterBox Defender, and I found it right here. I got this for $6 on eBay, and it is totally worth it. If you go to Best Buy or some of the sites out there, or places out there that have OtterBoxes in hand, we can try them on. That way you can get the gist of what I'm saying. So with this particular case, it is the exact same material. It looks exactly like the Defender series. It works all the same. You've got that huge lip protection up front right there, all around this side here, and all the sides. I have a white stone dome on here, and it works perfectly fine. No compromise at all. Lay on the table design. And some of these generic cases, cost 10 to 15 bucks. Again, I caught this one for $6 on eBay. And this one has the older style clip with the kickstand. So this is really nice. Just an off-brand generic. I won't use this kickstand case portion of it, the holster, but I will use this. So if you look around the case here, you can see it's got all the same grip as the original OtterBox, minus the price. It is built exactly the same, nothing different. The cutout for the camera now deeply recessed. You've got some flash protection with the black shining clip on there. So you've got the same cover here for the vibrate mute switch, and then you've got the cover here for the charging port. And power button, everything is covered. I'm going to take it off so you can see how it actually goes on. It goes on exactly just like an OtterBox. So you just peel along the side here, and this portion right here, a little thin but thick. It's not as thick as some other these generic cases like this. This one is got thick plastic just like the OtterBox. It has the clips all along the side. You just grab the clips and then you just go around and pop them off, and it'll come off just like a $70 to $60 OtterBox. And we'll lay the phone down, and then you have this padding here. Now, this is a portion that's a little different. It's not as thick, but you can see it still has like that memory foam type deal. And that is it. And so you get this portion that goes on here. You get the clip, but it's seated perfectly. And again, it works perfect with my white stone dome. You just go around and you snap all the clips in, make sure they're snapped. You'll hear the snaps. And I always go bottom first because of the charging port. And I'll just lift around like this. Make sure this goes around. This actually goes on a little faster and easier than the OtterBox because the material is thick, but not as thick as, and stiff, I should say. Not thick, that's the right word. It's not as stiff as the OtterBox Defender series. When it's on the phone though, absolutely a pleasure, folks. I mean, the design is there. Again, it works with the white stone dome glass, which means it should probably work with most screen protectors. It's there, folks. I caught this on sale for $6. Just look on eBay and you will find, or Amazon too. I couldn't find it on Amazon. The pricing was a little higher on Amazon. It was like 12 to 17 bucks. And the same cases on eBay are like 5 to 10 bucks. So this was my choice. It comes in multiple colors. I started to get the black and lime green, but I thought, I'll keep it real subtle. To match up with the color green that I have here. So this is the case, folks. This is absolutely great. Super happy that I finally got this in. And do yourself a favor and go look at some other OtterBox videos and put this one side by side as you watch. You're gonna say, whoa, $6. I just saved myself like 50 bucks by getting one of these off of eBay. I don't know the seller, so just search for yourself online on eBay. Type in iPhone Pro Defender case. Don't put OtterBox, put Defender case, and these will come up. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.